How to fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable in your region to comply with regulations. The first thing you want to do is just simply access your Roblox account by pulling up or opening up your preferred web browser and heading directly to roblox.com and make sure that you are successfully logged into your account. Now, once you're here, this is going to be your Roblox homepage. All you got to do is on the upper right hand corner of your screen, you'll be able to see a gear icon, which is going to be taking you out to your settings. Simply click on that and click on settings. Now, from settings, all you have to do is go to privacy and content maturity. Now, in all of these options right here, make sure that either of these options right here is not set as no one. For example, let's go to communication. So if you go either of these three options right here, for example, on experience chat, make sure that your settings is set to everyone as on direct chat as everyone, not on no one. Same goes with all of these settings right here. You'll just have to double check each one of those settings for you to be able to see why you're receiving that specific error message. Now, other thing that you can do is by going to parental controls. Now, from parental controls, if you already verified your age by playing games with Roblox, make sure that parental controls is disabled or turn off. So those are the things that you will have to check for you to be able to fix Roblox. This experience is unable to in your region to comply with regulations.